Hey guys, just a guy here with another episode of Sevtech. Managed to get the pieces made. I've actually probably made more than what I needed because I got sick of not being able to read what I needed because it'd say unknown item and then cycle through a million things before getting to what I wanted. So I just made literally. I was looking at to see what upgrades were available now, but nothing. A couple pieces of everything that's here. Even though I probably won't need it. Some of them are pretty simple. That one's just a redstone block and some low volt wire. Or red, whatever block. This one's just metal barrels, right? Which I had trouble with last time. Yeah, that one's just a hopper. There was one that was just, yeah, a bucket and a hopper. I mean, that was pretty funny. But I don't know what I need. I just got sick of trying to read what this said. So, back to this thing. Shift click this. Now, I'm not quite sure which way I want it to face, if I can face it. Oops. I can't rotate it. So it automatically goes against what I face. I think I'm going to have it face down like this because I think that's a fluid input and I need to have the steam or something come in through there. Maybe. Yeah. So we're going to put it right here, I guess. Okay, so bunch of casings and then whatever that is. Tiny input hatch. I didn't read what it was. Item or fluid? Tiny energy, okay. Now this is the other part that might have this episode go really wrong. I don't know if this takes the IF stuff that all my other stuff does, or do I not have energy? Oh, there we go. Or something special. Huh. Looks like an empty block. Okay. Oh, it's way down there for some reason. Oops. It doesn't look like this block. Not working right either. It's all messed up. It went down. Okay, that's not how I want this. I mean, it might work, but I'm not gonna build digging through the ground. Put the top up here, I guess. Very weird. Do I have dirt on me because of this? Yes, I do. Okay, we're one short, but whatever. Okay, so let's go back to this. And let's reset this. Oops. Do it this way. Okay, there we go. I don't know why I was digging into the ground like that. Okay, so this is that? Is it going to the wall again? It is. Why does it do that? Why does it go against the way I'm facing? Sounds like a freaking gas. Very weird. Okay, I gotta say I'm not a huge fan of this blueprint system. You have to click it onto a block, by the way, and then it seems to keep doing it midair. Yeah, let's take this down again. And that does not seem like the right block. Because I'm looking at the back and it keeps giving me the front. Okay, so let's put a block. We're gonna have to steal some dirt. Put this out like that, maybe. And then we'll have it face that so it won't go back into the wall this time. Why is it off center now? Every other time it would show me the front, and now it's... Okay. It's very odd, not how I wanted it, but we'll work with this. Okay, so we need the green square. That event. The fluids. Oh, item input maybe. Tiny fluid input. Gearbox. I don't know. Okay, so. No, that's definitely not it. Oops. Weird how that didn't show up until I moved that. If I'm standing there, it's not there. Okay, whatever. Almost all blocks. There's only a couple. Oops. That's gotta be something different. I'm standing here, I can't even see anything. I'm just gonna do them all machine casings and then swap out what I need, I guess. Okay. That's probably the controller. Do I have a controller? Not in my thing, and I don't think this machine takes any vents. Okay, controller. That looks important. And it's the right block. There we go. Now this... I know mob spawn can make gas, but they usually die. So let's try input. Tiny fluid input. Okay, that works, even though it looks nothing like the picture. I think it's because it was supposed to use a big input and I only have tiny ones. Tiny fluid input. Okay. Is that it? There's gotta be a back one, an output. So it's the same square, but it has a redness to it, so I guess that means the difference between input and output. Okay. And did it say I just hit it with my hammer? I don't think I have a book for this, so I just have whatever they told me here. Okay, it just says to make him thing. We're gonna hope it takes the engineering hammer. I have no idea there how to start the multi-block. Oh, it just... Oh, I have to put the blueprint in there. Okay. Missing structure. Well, what are we missing? Because mean, it's missing the energy inputs, but it didn't show me a block to do so. Okay, that messed it up again, but whatever. Okay, so that's the fluid output, that's the fluid input, that's the controller. Not sure what view this is. So the very bottom needs the energy input. That's, oops. Okay. I don't think I've placed it again. So we're gonna have to just manually guess. I think it's right here. The thing is, it just shows a machine casing, and it doesn't show an inappropriate block. Ah, that one. Okay. It's funny that the placing mechanics of this leave a lot to be desired. Energy input. Oops. Not the best to place for an energy input. Okay, it turns on its own. It's completely not facing a good direction, and the output hatch is in the wall here. Or the second input, rather. So we have a thing. Okay. So, do we... Blueprints gotta go in there. Chemical mixer. Status, no matching recipe found. That's a really complicated thing looking. Okay, so we got pipes. Oops. No, we don't. We have dirt in the way. Why did that not work? The hit detection on these silos is iffy. Okay. And do I have a lever for this one? No, I didn't output it at all yet. So, do we have a lever in our inventory? Of course not, I've used them all. All the ones that are on me anyway. We got the steam input. Now we need the naphtha input, which unfortunately is on the other side. Guess we don't need this anymore. I had it because I couldn't tell what was in these before. But now that I can tell that that thing actually shows up, and if you have a bucket you can tell. I think I'm gonna go up. I was gonna go higher, try to avoid some of these other pipes, but whatever. I'll just do this for now. I'm gonna have to rewire these better. I'm gonna be going to ground. They don't crisscross. Because if they touch each other, bad things will happen. Okay. Now this is an issue. In fact, I think I'm gonna make it a little easier on myself. Have the steam come in from the other side. So the naphtha doesn't have to travel so far. I could probably put in a fluid router. Oops. So that these things don't backfill into the silos from the other side. Like if these two touch, the naphtha and all that would actually start filling the other silo if it ever got empty, which would be bad. And as you can see, my ability to hit just the one block with these pipes is bad. Wow. I'm actually getting low on pipes. Okay. There we go. And this one. It looked like a darker brown. I swear it looked like it closer to that black. Okay. Chemical mixer, go. Right? Other than needing a lever to turn that on. Empty. This one should have something. Huh. This one not on. There we go. Should be outputting. I just need another lever real quick. Oh, by the way, that solar tower turned all 32 millibucket or buckets worth or whatever water that was in it into steam in one day. So yeah, my rain barrel system is not going to keep up remotely, but I don't think a pump jack would either. But it is 100% green. Actually, we might need another one for the machine. So it works with no extra effort. And I don't think I'll need a lot of steam just yet, because I don't have the alternator or the steam engine. And I don't really see a point to them just yet. Staggering power is not a thing I need. These water wheels and windmills actually do pretty decent. The only problem with them is I would imagine on a server it would be a lot of possible lag from all those moving parts because you need quite a few of them. Okay. Wow, that horse got down. It'd been up there forever and it was sort of trapped, I guess. But now that this thing was here, it walked this way down. Okay, so the steam is in there. That is good. The fluid is in there. Now, we need to look at the energy. We're going to have some issues with line of sight here, I think. Okay, let's see if it'll take these. I probably need a relay. Connector, wire. I hope it takes this because I have no other power sources just yet. Yeah, this is not gonna connect. Ow, ow, ow. Wow, I'm killing my horse. I don't know what it is, but at least when I first turn it on, it shocks, and then, like, I never have any issues ever again. I don't understand it. Okay, so it does take this energy. That horse is gonna kill himself. There we go, up on my misery. What did he drop? Meat? Oh yeah, horse meat. Let's eat some raw horse meat, guys. Why do you get 4 of them? Horses would be a good source of meat. Not a very filling meat. Maybe if you cook it, but still. Okay, so it's got power. It's got stuff. It says no recipe found. So, how do we get a recipe? Or do we pick a recipe? How do we do that? I don't know what the blueprint aspect is for. Okay, we do need a fluid output. What we will do real quick. This is the naphtha. Yeah, this one is. Let's put a tank. Let's get a bucket because we don't have any other way of getting out of there. That. No, unlike the hopper, I can't get rid of it just by clicking. Okay, that's empty. It's good. It's really small, not going to be enough. I probably need another silo. But for now... Ow, 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 ow. Only got 2 pipes. Put it up there for now, just so I can see it. And there we go. Okay, so now we just need to figure out modular recipes. The bibliocraft book. These are not. How do I select the modular thing? There is no modular machinery book. Regular mixer. I don't get it. There's no clickable options here. Okay, so maybe... No? I thought maybe I selected something here. Oh, maybe I could put the blueprint in here while building it and it would do something, but I don't have a recipe to put in there. Well, guys, I think this might be the episode, just because I'm going to have to go on the wiki page or something to find out how to put a recipe in. But we got it to work. It's kind of a short episode, but... Oh, yeah, by the way, let's see how this is doing. It only had like 192 millibuckets in here. 191. Oh, it's not quite sunny enough. But I only have 2 of these still, but it's doing more than I can do for water anyway, so... Like I said, it went through more than this full tank of 32,000 in one day. Plus there were some in these little buckets still, and it was raining, and it still went through all that in one day. So obviously a pump jack of water or a bunch of rain buckets is not enough to keep this fully going. Not even slightly. To have that going 24/7, you would need several different chunks of water pumping out or something. Or a river. If you had an infinite water source river and some of these fluid hoppers that draw water in from above with the upgrade here, and dispenser upgrade, which I still don't have, which I was looking at earlier. I just have dispenser and a block dispenser, which I actually could use. But I can't. Obviously, I don't have a soul forge steel anvil yet. But a block dispenser would let me do those wood saws and all that automatically. But the other one I saw that was kind of cool is I was looking at ender chests, right, every once in a while, see if it was available. But I have to be stage 4 to make it. That's something new. I don't think it might have been an update, because I saw ender chest in my thing before, but I had no recipe to make it. But now I see it, but it says stage 4, and it didn't used to say that. But there is, and it doesn't show up when you type in ender for some reason. There is an ender hopper. Oops. Which I can make. When I was making hoppers, I noticed this. And it's just an unstable ender pearl into obsidian and a hopper. And obviously just wither dust and an ender pearl. And I actually have some wither dust, I think. I know I have a wither skull. So, and the cool thing about the ender hopper, let me show you guys again, is it basically pulls in items from a distance. Yeah, it teleports nearby items to its container. So if you need it for any kind of mob farm or something, it's a much better way to get items than a million normal hoppers. And I think I'll show you guys making that right now, so I can actually, I don't have a direct need for it just yet, but whatever. So let's go back here. Wither. So we have wither skull fragments, and we do have wither dust, and we have wither bones, which I think also make wither dust, maybe. But we only need these. And that's just from our couple trims to the nether, so it's not that rare. Of course, we were in a nether fortress with one of our portals. So that might be a bigger issue. And I didn't even have looting on my sword at the time. Oops. Hopper. Ender hopper. Unstable pearl. Oh, duh. Need a pearl. We have one here. Do we have more? I mean, we have. Maybe in this chest, because I know it has to be casted out of a pan. Yeah, here we go. So, ender hopper. Make another one. We got 2. Not that we have a direct need for it. Okay. Obsidian I know I have to get, but hoppers. Yeah, I made hoppers because I was gonna plan on making more of the liquid hoppers. Plus those machineries were all taking hoppers as part of their inputs and output hatches. I was actually running out of bronze gears more than anything. It was funny. Oops. Okay, so we got 2 of these. They're not even an advancement. But I don't know the range, but supposedly if you put it, oh, actually I'm gonna do it. Ooh, if I put it in my sugarcane farmy thing, it would possibly take the eggs, so that would never go off. We're gonna do it in here, because this is the one mob farm where things can easily die outside of my range. And I haven't really touched this in a while. I haven't had a need for the shadow gems too much or anything. And that's about the only thing in here that I could really use, other than armor pieces from all the zombies. Oh, and I forgot that the freaking spawner's still in here. So, let's put one of these down. Yeah, this guy. Oops. I don't have a freaking sword. Wow, he hits hard. guys spawn pretty fast. So this also helped because when I was killing these guys before, sometimes the stuff would go outside. Unfortunately, I put that on top of the chest. Whatever, I'm getting out of here. I don't want to die. But I think you can shift click it to see the range, which I'll do here. That's okay. It's a box. Okay, I was gonna say I couldn't see very well. That's pretty big. It's like 5 blocks in all directions or so. Oh, I was worried I didn't break that right. These are pretty cool. Like I said, I don't have a direct need for it just yet, but it's pretty cool. Put this in my random crap chest. But yeah, guys, I think this will be the end of the episode. Got our butts kicked by those ghost guys because we only had a pickaxe. We only got 3 gold to send us, even with looting whatever. Luck 3. But yeah, I'm gonna have to look to see how to get the modular machine to work. It's nice that at least the IF or RF power system I have does work with it. But yeah, guys, catch you later. Bye.